Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about Plan, Do, Check, Act in Lean methodology. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Plan, Do, Check, Act. PDCA continuous improvement. Plan, identify your problems. Do, test potential solutions. Check, study results. Act, implement the best solution. What does the PDCA cycle mean? The PDCA cycle is a project management framework that businesses can use to implement incremental change. This four-step approach is the most widely used methodology for implementing continuous improvement. It is an essential part of the lean manufacturing philosophy and a key prerequisite for continuous improvement of people and processes. First proposed by Walter Shewhart and later developed by William Deming, the PDCA cycle became a widespread framework for constant improvements in manufacturing, management, and other areas. PDCA is a simple four-stage method that enables teams to avoid recurring mistakes and improve processes. Plan. This phase involves understanding and analyzing the present situation. It also investigates the nature of problems and works on seeking solution to the same. During the course of investigation, a team can find many problems and quality improvement opportunities. It can be formulated as below. Set an aim, goal, target. Describe the current process. Collect all data related to the present process in the form of Pareto charts, histograms, flowcharts, scatter diagrams, etc. Interpret and align the data in accordance to the goal. Identify bottlenecks and problems. Identify potential process quality improvements. Develop an improvement theory. Develop an implementation plan for the theory thus developed. Do. Do contains its own PDCA cycle. This reflects its importance. The purpose of this phase is to implement the action plan developed in the plan phase. This allows us to strengthen and confirm our plan before full implementation. Do is implementation action plan. Collect data. Document all the results and observations. Detail the problems faced during the implementation. Once you have identified a potential solution, test it safely with a small-scale pilot project. This will show whether your proposed changes achieve the desired outcome, with minimal disruption to the rest of your operation if they don't. For example, you could organize a trial within a department in a controlled environment. As you run the pilot project, gather data to show whether the change has worked or not. You will use this in the next stage. Check. It means to confirm, hence we must decide on who to check with, when to check, how frequently to check, in what manner to check. This phase involves analysis of the effects of plan and do. Compare new data to the previous data to check improvement and its accordance with the goal target set. Check is a phase to analyze and compare and document basic method improvements implemented. Next, analyze your pilot project results against the criteria that you defined in step 1 to assess whether your idea was a success. If it wasn't, return to step 1. If it was, advance to step 4. You may decide to try out more changes and repeat the do and check phases. But if your original plan definitely isn't working, you will need to return to step 1. Act. Act means reflecting on our condition after checking and taking appropriate action, including standardize outcome and process, make countermeasures if outcome results are substandard. Countermeasures can be temporary action to stop the bleeding. permanent countermeasures which address the root cause, implement the best solution, go through the do and check stages as many times as necessary before the solution is implemented. But remember that PDCA is a loop, not a process with a beginning and an end. Your improved process or product becomes the new baseline, but you continue to look for ways to make it even better. How to use PDCA to improve personal performance? While PDCA is an effective business tool, you can also use it to improve your own performance. First, plan. Identify what's holding you back personally and how you want to progress. Look at the root causes of any issues and set goals to overcome these obstacles. Next, do. When you have decided on your course of action, safely test different ways of getting the results that you want. Then check. Review your progress regularly, adjust your behavior accordingly, and consider the consequences of your actions. Finally, act. Implement what's working, continually refine what isn't, and carry on the cycle of continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.